Picture this. You're browsing online, and suddenly, a sleek, eye-catching animation grabs your attention. You wonder, how do they do that? Well, what if I told you that you could also create animations like that too? That's right. I will teach you what it took me almost 1 year to learn in just 15 minutes. In this video, I'll take you through some powerful techniques to master animation using only Canva. This is a complete course where you will learn not only about interface, motion animation, making your character talk, and lastly my favorite without which your animation will be incomplete. So make sure you watch till the end for the secret. I have linked some free animated character in the description. Without wasting your time, let's begin the tutorial. Go to canva.com. Click on Create New Design. I will use this video format and explain you about interface in basic. On the left side you will see all the tool tabs such as adding text, elements, brand kit, uploads where you will see all your uploaded files. Remember guys, while working in Canva, Elements tab will be your new best friend. In the Elements tab, search for city background. Here you will find all the things related to that particular keywords. Go to Graphics tab. For this example, I will select any one of the image for my background. Okay, this looks nice. Click on it, and it will bring this design to your blank canvas. Now drag the corner or edge of the image to resize and adjust in your design. Now again go to Elements tab, and search for walking person. Click on Graphics. I will give a pro tips where you will be able to see only moving characters. In the Graphics tab, click on this 3-dot hamburger icon. Scroll down and you will see the options to select only animated objects. Click on it. Here is a quick way to find animated character. Find the one you need. For this example, I will use this. Adjust the size by dragging its corner. Now, I know what most of you are thinking. It's not moving, how to make it move? To do that, you simply need to click on the character and you will see this animate button. Click on it. Here you will see a lot of animation options. But the one we need is this bee icon. Click on it. From here you will see the magic. Here is also instruction that you can follow. What you simply need to do is drag the character from one side to another. And always make sure you select movement style to smooth or steady. Click on Done. This was very basic concept which you can practice to have your hands on. If you see on the button of the screen, you can see timing of the animation. Click on the number and you can adjust its timing. Now to play your animation you can press either of these buttons. Add new page. Now let's shift the gear and show you another creative way to make animation. Again, go to Elements and search for some background. Let me select this. Adjust its position. This time I will stretch it so that it only fits half of the screen. I will tell you why in just a second. Now let me search for car and filter animated. Let me select any one of them. I want my object to face right side, so flip it to the other side. I want shorter clips, so let me show you time-saving way to reduce its timing, which is simple by dragging the edge of the timeline. Here is what you need to do. Instead of click on the car, click on the background, then click on Animate. Then this bee icon. Drag the background and to the edge of the image. And you will get this cool moving effect. You may have seen these type of animation going viral in social media. Let me teach you how you can also create them. I'm creating new design, but you can continue in same file. But before that, hit that like button if you are learning something new. Since we are creating for social media, let me select Instagram format. Go to Elements and search for motion grid lines. Go to videos. Don't worry if you have free account. I will list down some of these grid lines. Link will be in the description. Here is how you can create your own free grid lines. Now change background to dark. And select the grid line and make it white. Adjust the position. Reduce the transparency by click on this icon. Now on the search tab, search for stick person. Remember to filter only animated. Now I will select any three. Adjust its position. Now we'll use ChatGPT to write motivational quote. Go back to Canva and use text and paste it here. I will highlight its color so it looks cool. Click on Animate, then this B icon. Drag the character. Select movement style to steady or smooth. Let's animate this text as well. Select text and click on Animate and select wide variety of options to animate your text. There are a lot of options to choose from. Now let's animate other two as well. But first I will reduce its timing. Let's get our another character to life. To save time, I will duplicate this page and remove previous elements. This time let's select this one. Let's get our quote first. And paste it here as done previously. Highlight some words. This time I will only animate the text. Now for the final animated stickman for this project. I will select any one of them. I almost forgot to duplicate the page. And let me remove the elements. This looks nice. Let's bring our motivational quote as well. And do what we did previously. And it will look something like this. I know that most of you are using free version and some of these animation may not be available to you. So what you can do is you can search for animated images to use in Canva. These are some websites that I found good to download the animation file. Here you will find some basic animated file and you can use like this in your design. To animate your voice, go to free website Adobe Animate Your Voice. Here are a list of characters to choose from, and options to select the background as well. Now you can click on Browse or hit that record button to lip sync your voice. And your animated speaking character will be ready. Now let's try this animation. Since this is for social media, then I will select Instagram format. This time I will fast forward the design process a little bit. Go to Elements. Go to Canvas and change its background color. Choose Gradient. Let's change the direction of this gradient by going into Color Wheel. And change its direction as you need. Let's put some elements in our design. The main idea is to put all the elements in this page. If I am going too fast, you can let me know down in the comments, and I will bring one detailed video for this topic as well. Now search for button. Select any one of them. If you want, you can change the color of the button. Now let's put one circle button. Before putting the button, put sun and moon icon on both sides. And put the button on top of them. Now let's search for moon and put in our design. This look nice. Here is a tricky part. We need to duplicate this page so that our elements look animated. But before that, let's hide our moon behind the cloud. For that, go to Layers, then Show Layers. First, bring button layer on top of moon icon. Now bring the moon layer behind. Reduce its timing as well. Click on Duplicate Layer. Now on the duplicated page, first go to Layer, then Show Layers. Now hide the sun and bring your moon to the front. And change this button to the other side. Since this is nighttime, let's change our gradient color to dark. And like previously, adjust the gradient color. Let's change the button color as well. Remember the part where I said animation won't work without this step. By this I mean the transition. Click on the middle icon to access transition. And select Match and move to see the magic. Now let's put transition on our previous design and see the magic. Select any one of the transition in your design. By doing this, your animation will look far more professional. Similarly, I will add transition to this animation as well. Play with transition and see the result. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Do check my other in-depth tutorial on how to animate in Canva. Now for the final part, I will share free animation. As I am on free account, and now I will teach you how to use my free template. Click on the link in the description. You will be redirected to this page. Request access and select Edit Access. As I have to manually give you access, it will require some time. But what you can do is you can comment down after requesting access to this file. Change the view of this page. Let me copy this by pressing Ctrl+C. Let me show you how to use the file. Remember guys, I am on free account. Just to show you, anyone can use this free template. Paste it here. Put a background. I just click on download and then MP for format. As you can see, my file is downloaded without any problem. You can experiment this with many other options. If you found this video helpful, do hit that like button and share it with your friends.